They got quiet all of a sudden. There they go again. It's just birds hanging out in my cattails. They're like so loud. I thought it was something on my TV, but I mean, there's thousands of them. I mean, you can see them. They're in there. See them? They're like just hanging out in the cattails, singing. Amazing. There's one flying away. And they got, oh, there they go. There's still a lot of them. I had to stop my movie I was watching. I thought it was on the movie, but nope, it's real life. Crazy. Love you, Mom.